You've done so many films with all the senior artists, all the senior stars, star heroes. What is the main reason to accept this film, and what do you like more in this movie?
I I like the storyline. I thought it was a fun film. If I've done romantic films before, action films, been part of those action films, but never done a comedy film, comedy. Ipro Mottam film, it's fun, it's comedy, and I thought it'd be fun to do a film like that. So I thought it was exciting. And Sharvanand and Alari, they both have great timing. Their films before have done well. And it's interesting to work with actors like who are hardworking, and it's nice to work with a new team, fresh team. So I thought it'd be fun to do a film like that. As an audience, I'm going to watch the film today. I'm very excited. Um, as an audience, I think it's a film where it's a nice popcorn film where you come with a lot of fun and you enjoy, you laugh, and I think it's a full entertainer. So I'll that's how I would explain it. I like to watch. Personally, I like to do romantic films, romantic comedies, and personally, I only like to watch comedy and romantic films. I don't watch horror films, and I'm not a big fan of action films also. But I love emotions, I love drama. So, hmm. both both because um, when it's a new cast, it sort of gives you a little more. The script has a little more freedom. It's a little more. It was fun. It's a fun film. It's a comedy film. So comedy is a sure hit. The kind of stressful life we lead, we just need a bit of comedy. We need a stress to be relieved, and there's no other better way than movies. Yeah, I have. I would love to. But as an actor, you one end up doing films where it doesn't really matter to me where I'm doing films as long as I'm doing good films. Telugu, I have a strong bond with. Because Enkanta, my first Telugu film was here, Ishtam was here, and then I did Santosham here. I was still studying, I was in college. So I have beautiful memories. I have a lot of stories to tell. So, bro, I have a connection, and it's always nice to come back to Hyderabad. But I still remember the first time I bunked my college, took the flight, and came to Hyderabad. So, those memories will always be fresh. It's, it's a nice feeling here. Yeah. With you, yeah.
Who is the best performer in
Hindi?
both the heroes? Sarvanand or Alan
Sorry,
Naresh? Who is
Hindi?
the best performer in both the heroes?
Um, well, I wouldn't say best, but both are my age group, so it was fun to hang out with them and fun to like chit chat with them. I could bully them. I could because they're like I've like they're like and we have like common friends also in Hyderabad. It was nice. It was good fun to like hang out with both the actors. They both acting style is different. They but sort of the timing, the comic timing, I think sort of complement each other. But their style is totally different, I think. Alari's style is different, Shravan's style is different. Already I've done a film like a long time back. I did a movie called this is like a really long time back. I think when I was working on no. I did a movie called Belly Full of Dreams. It's called Belly Full of Dreams. What did you say? वोमलाड समथिंग ऐसा नहीं है नेशनल अवार्ड मिला था ऐसे तो मत बोलो वोमलाड अच्छा so I did that movie long time back so I've known him for a very long time so it's good to do a commercial film with him but I've done I mean I worked with him before it's not that I was working with him for the first time It's a commercial film, and I'll not lie to you and say it's different. And there's nothing really different. It's a commercial film. Uh, uh, I've played a doctor before in Santosham, but this is I'm not playing a doctor. I'm playing a psychiatrist. కానీ ఎంత డిఫరెంట్ లేదు ఇట్స్ అ కమర్షియల్ ఫిల్మ్ ఐ ప్లే అ గర్ల్ నెక్స్ట్ డోర్ అ సింపుల్ గర్ల్ who in a nutshell she's simple, she's lost in her own world, and everyone she has a beautiful world and everyone falls in love with her and in love with her world. And it's a comedy film. It's don't look for reality in it, don't look for difference in it. It's not in the art cinema ledu. It's 100% commercial film, and it's a proper fun film. So it's not that I'm doing anything different, and I didn't sign the film because I'll be doing something different and all, but I did it because I thought it's a fun film, a great good fun cast. And when Narayan Garu narrated the script to me, I thought it sounded fun, sounded funny, and it's one of those films uh, which you have to see on screen to see how funny it is. It could, so yeah, there was a risk factor involved, but then I just trusted everyone. Music, it's a music which sort of grows on you. Maybe first time you might like it, but not really like it, and second time you listen to it, you really like it. I like Sarra a lot, and then I like the song with Sharva, Neela Neela. Yeah, that's also pretty nice. Both of them I like a lot, but I like all the songs. You work hard for all the songs, you like them, but those are my favorites.
About your director also.
My character.
Not about your director.
My director. I thought you were saying what about your character? I was going to say my character बहुत अच्छा है. Apart from my character in the film, director. ఏంటి? You could say it's sort of inspired, maybe, like थोड़ा सा वैसा सा है, पर treatment बिल्कुल different है. So I'm saying inspired maybe, but treatment अलग है बिल्कुल. तो पर honestly मैंने दीवाना मस्ताना जब आई थी तो I don't think मैंने तब देखी थी. तो मुझे सब कुछ खास याद नहीं है. मैं सच बोल रही हूँ, झूठ नहीं बोल रही. पर मैं ये बोलूँगी कि हाँ ट्रीटमेंट अलग है. जब आई थी पता नहीं, बहुत पहले आई थी ना, पुरानी फिल्म है काफ़ी. तब जब आई थी तब मैंने नहीं देखी थी. अच्छा तो मैंने वो फिल्म नहीं देखी थी. I speak Telugu, but I'm not confident. If you ask me in Telugu, I'll answer in Telugu, but I'm not confident. I'm still not confident. I'm not good with languages. I can understand, I can speak well, but I'm not. If you start talking to me in Telugu, I'll answer in Telugu, like broken Telugu, and then after 5 minutes, I'll speak normal. If you don't laugh at me. Shriya. नहीं श्रिया नहीं, श्रिया. श्रिया. श्रृंगार श्रिया. कौन सा ग्रुप? श्रेयास मीडिया. अब आप बोलोगे मेरा नाम कहीं पे लिखा है तो वो बिल्डिंग भी मेरी है. जब मेरे माँ बाप ने मेरा नाम रखा था ना तो बिल्कुल कॉमन नहीं था, बहुत कॉमन हो गया है. I don't know how, but it's a Sanskrit name. It means my name is not Shreya, that's Shreya. My name is Shriya. मतलब श्री मतलब विष्णु जी, या मतलब भार्या. No, ask. What do you want to ask? I know I'm really sad about it. I haven't spoken to Supriya, Kani. I'll call her and I'll talk to her. It's a shock to me because when I did the film, he's a good friend of mine, and really sad to hear that. But yeah, yesterday, kada, yesterday morning. సో ఇప్పుడు ఒక ఫిల్మ్ ఉంది మిడ్ నైట్ చిల్డ్రన్ ఒక పెద్ద బుక్ ఉంది మిడ్ నైట్ చిల్డ్రన్ సల్మాన్ రుష్దీ హెస్ రిటన్ ఇట్ అంతే ఇప్పుడు ఇది ఇట్స్ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ దాట్ బుక్ డైరెక్టెడ్ బై దీపా మెహతా నాకు తెలియదు ఎంత వెన్ ఇస్ ఇట్ కమింగ్ ఐ డోంట్ నో మైస్ట్ బీ లైక్ సెప్టెంబర్ అక్టోబర్ సంథింగ్ లైక్ దట్ Apram, I've done I'm doing another film in Telugu which I'm not allowed to talk about. I can't talk about it, and it's out of my respect for the director and the unit. They don't want me to talk about it, so I think I'll respect my cast and crew. Yeah, so hoping for the best. I would say go with open mind, go for fun. It's a fun film. It's a total comedy, masala, fun film you should enjoy. And yeah, it's a good, I would say a popcorn film which will just make you relax, make you happy. And the difference, like character difference, my character is very good. In the movie also, outside also. No, it's just go to enjoy it. Don't think too much. Idi art cinema ledu, idi proper ga commercial cinema undi. So just go with an open mind. Shriya, Shriya. इतने साल हो गए नाम तो ठीक से बोलो. Shriya. I was in Jaipur Literary Festival. I read a lot. I love reading. I am always Shriya. एक मिनट बोल दूँ. ఇప్పుడు 5 minutes తర్వాత ఓకే ఓకే ఒక క్వశ్చన్ ఉందా ఇక్కడ ఓకే I read a book one after another and sometimes I read like three books at a time, so I love reading that much. And yeah, I'm which is my last favorite book will be I really like God of Small Things. Then I also read a lot of I've finished reading a lot of Salman Rushdie's work. I read his last. Then I'm reading. I read God of Small Things, and right now I'm reading Inheritance of Loss. Yeah, and I always keep books with me. I love books. My bags are always like big bags, so my books can come in it. I tried writing something about it on Twitter, and I got really bad hate mails. But all I would say is that India is the biggest democracy in the world, and I would say that if I'll not get into as to if he has hurt someone or not hurt someone. But all I have to say is that he's an Indian, and an Indian has a right to come back to India. And if there's something that he has said or done which is not right, then there's a court of law which should decide that. And that it should be a procedure because that's the kind of country we live in. So let the court of law decide, but you can't bar someone for coming to his own country. That's a little unfair. Yeah. I would say let the court of law decide. Let people who are meant to decide. And surprisingly, when I was discussing this with my followers on Twitter, 99.99% of people accepted that they have not even read his work. so yeah, it's like just for the heck of it. And just to hate someone, not even like knowing why you hate someone, is a little funny. And if someone's like done something that's not fair, and if you read it, and if you find that they've hurt your emotions, there's a way of like requesting the writer to remove it from his body of work, or discuss it out, or have a conversation But to tell him that you can't come to your own country, I thought it was a little funny. Freedom of expression does come with a lot of responsibility, I don't deny that. But at the same time, since we have freedom of expression in our country, let's respect it. And if you don't, for instance, if I say something that you don't agree with, there is a procedure in which you can tell me that I don't like it. You can't tell me get out of here. You can't, because there's also freedom of expression, freedom of. Our country is a free country, so you can't tell them you can't come to a country. That's unfair. And it was a political issue by the end of it. It was quite funny. I don't think writers. India has produced, and one of the 1982 was the first guy who got a Booker Prize. Let's respect him for that. And so 30 years back, he got a Booker Prize and got Indian literature. I mean, yeah, you have great writers in India. We've always had great writers in India, from Rabindranath Tagore to like many, to Sharat Chandra to Premchand, and they were fantastic writers. And this guy got a Booker Prize, so respect him for that. And I would say again, if he has, there's a court of law to decide it. Shriya. Reason ledu kada, Kani, I was busy doing Tamil films, and I was doing one Hindi film. Midnight Children took 6 months, 7, 8 months. Indukanta was a lot of hard work, I had to work in a slum, I had to work in Bombay slum, and then in Sri Lanka slum. So there was a lot of hard work, preparation required. So I didn't take up a film. It was just not worth it. So I was taking it easy. I always say that. I always say Shriya, Shriya, Shriya. Enti? Competition was always there, will always be there, and it's good. It's good to have competition. It's healthy competition. जब करेंगे आपको मालूम पड़ेगा. Okay, I have to go. Thank you. Thanks a lot.